Remember this though, systems run your business, people run your systems, and you lead your people. And the thing is, it's important that the systems do run the business. So there's 4 areas of delivery that we want to look at. Supply excellence, quality excellence, easy to buy excellence, and service excellence. When we're looking at supply excellence, we want to know, do your customers get what they pay for? Is it going to be there on time? And is it going to be delivered with consistency each time? What any bottlenecks do you have? What is the volume of sales increase that you can handle before it falls over and you need more staff? What is the consistency of the delivery? All right, that is the goal, having that consistency there. When we're looking at quality excellence, how are you losing customers due to any low or perceived low quality? What areas do you deliver in well, and in what areas do you struggle? You've got to look at your customer complaints and act on them quickly. Mystery shop your clients if necessary. Make sure your clients are getting what they pay for. Easy to buy excellence. All right, so many business owners make it too hard to buy from you. So they need to know, or they need to have from you, that you're easy to know about, that you're easy to find, that you're easy to see, and to know what you have in stock and available to help them to overcome their pain points. Making it easy to pay for your service or your product, and easy to come back to again and again. So you got that recurring income. It's just plain old common sense. Service excellence is about creating the massive wows, or be excellent in the basics of the smile and giving great service. Now, Walmart, the founder there, introduced the 10-foot rule. Anytime one of his staff members came within 10 feet of a client, they would have to greet them with a smile and welcome them to the store. The question is, are you losing business based on bad service? Or are you winning service from other people because of your good service? So you've got to ensure that your training is up to standard. And it's that old saying, I don't care how much you know until I know how much you care.